You know how many cells you have, or I have, or your friend has? How many cell is required to make a human body? What a vague question. It's something like asking somebody to count stars or to count your hair. Yeah, it's true. A human body is made up of billions or trillions of cells. There are many cells in a multicellular organisms. Now what am I saying? What is a multicellular organism? Yeah, again coming back to same point, this is true that some organisms are made up of only one cell or few cells, and some are made up of millions, billions or trillions of cells. So basically all living beings are divided into two categories on the basis of cell number. See, it is important to focus or fix the criteria, because there can be many ways in which we can divide living beings. It could be just ability to perform photosynthesis, plants and animals, or it could be some other criteria. So whenever we talk of categorization, it is important to not only understand but to also express what is the criteria. So in this case, the criteria is cell number. So as per cell number, there can be two type of organisms. First is unicellular. The meaning of the word uni is one. So it is a one-celled organism like amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium and so on. Bacteria, yeast, Chlamydomonas, a kind of algae, they are all unicellular. Now in these organisms, there are no tissues or no organs, because there is only one cell. So the organization is just one cell. Then where are the life processes performed? It is like having a studio apartment. You know, in metros these days there are studio apartments, which means there is a one big room. In one corner there is kitchen, one corner there is bed line, one corner there are two sitting arrangement and so on. So everything is within that one room. So in unicellular organisms also, everything is within one cell. All life processes take place within one cell. There is no digestive system, no respiratory system and no reproductive system. Everything is within one cell, which means there is no division of labor. Work is not divided. Second type of organisms are multicellular. The meaning of multi, you must be knowing, the multiplexes where you go and watch movies. Multi means many, multimedia. So wherever the word multi comes, whether it is multiplexes or multimedia, what it actually means is many. So multicellular also means many celled, right? So it is the multicellular organism, and the examples are of course human beings. So all the plants and animals, leaving aside these simple organisms, all other organisms are multicellular, and their main advantage of being multicellular is that work can be divided. Like in junior school, only one teacher teaches you all subjects because the quantum of information is less. But as you go to higher classes in school and then further in colleges and in professional colleges, you find there are specialists. There are specialized teachers for every subject. Just like among doctors also there are specialists. There is a heart specialist, ENT specialist, eye specialist. So the work is divided. That means there is division of labor. In multicellular organisms also there are specialized organs which perform specific functions. So we can say there is division of labor. So obviously the multicellular organisms are more complex, there is division of labor and the efficiency is also more.